Penny is an example of why I love rehabilitation, because of the connection.
My name is Richard Goff, and this is Penny, and I brought her in today for a little physical therapy. See how she's proceeding for the past couple of weeks after her surgery.
Penny Goff is a 5-year-old female miniature dachshund that initially came to our Hattiesburg clinic, the Animal Medical Center, after having some chronic back pain and intervertebral disc issues. And she came in suddenly down completely, unable to use her back legs, unable to have normal urination and bowel movements, and in excruciating pain. She did not just have one disc lesion that was a complicating factor for her recovery, but she actually had 5 areas of compression along her lower back, one primarily being a chronic disc space lesion that had calcified disc material putting compression on the spinal cord, which then leads to her being basically unable to not only control her back legs but even feel the back legs at all. Our goal for her on the acute side of things, or immediately post-op, is to get her comfortable.
We did E-stem, which is where we actually place pads onto the quadriceps and the hamstrings. And what that does is it sends just an electrical shock to those muscles to help them contract. And so now we're at the active stage.
We want to get her moving, build up some muscle, and also give her not just feeling in her back feet, but the knowledge of where they are in space so she can take normal and appropriate steps.
You can definitely see that there's more confidence for Penny while she's moving now. When she was here before, she was non-ambulatory, but she wanted to try. They don't really necessarily understand while they're not moving. You can't really just explain to them exactly what's going on with their body. So it was basically up to us to just give her a lot of TLC, a lot of our time. And now she's here today, and I mean, you can tell, it's just when she's outside and she's walking around, she's got a ton of confidence. And she's feeling a lot better, and that just helps boost her morale.
Just shows me that it can be done if you got the team to do it with.
Our Canine Rehabilitation Services are a special department within our 2 clinics that are meant to help dogs with a multitude of issues, everything from neurologic cases up to post-op or orthopedic cases, from fractures, injuries, traumatic injuries. This is a service that is available because it's relatively new, not only in the veterinary world, but especially in this area. And we just want to be able to help pets, help their families, and give these babies the happy and active life that they deserve.